First bedroom.
Nice. It's warm here. Kitchen. Let's go.
Yeah, the microwave stays as well. And the stove.
Ako si Brex. Dating nag-iipon para pumunta ng Canada. Pero ngayon, nag-iipon pa rin. Para naman umuwi ng Pinas. Ano ba naman to? But for today's video mga bossing, samahan niyo po akong maghanap ng bahay or mauupahan para sa kabrad kong galing Cebu. Family of 4 po sila, kaya po, let's go! First na titingnan natin mga bossing itong sa 20 Jan Macmillan Avenue 2-bedroom apartment. Check natin. Kasama natin dito mga boss ang napakaganda kong wife na si Marge at saka si Xavier.
Goodbye every half hour.
One still living here? Or?
Yeah. Yeah.
So all these things will be removed, right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You get the washer.
The washer and dryer is for sale separately
Oh.
because they bought a house, so there was one with their house.
Okay.
So if you want that, that's separate. But and the stove and the fridge stay. That comes apart.
Ayan mga boss, hindi na masamang apartment to. It's a 2-bedroom apartment. Yan po yung first room po mga boss. Ito po yung living room na sobrang laki po mga boss. And as you can see, meron po mga gamit. Hindi po kasali yan of course. Now, I think this is the first bedroom, master's bedroom kung tawagin. And then this one is the second bedroom. Malaki din mga boss. Ayan, maganda para sa mga bata. Ito yung washroom niya mga bossing. Merong bathtub of course. So who's in charge with the plowing? The tenant, right?
You do your parking spot, and I think you share the walkway because there's.
So ang price ng apartment na to mga bossing ay 1,400 Canadian dollars plus utilities, meaning babayaran mo pa separately yung kuryente mo at saka yung internet provider mo mga bossing. Alright. Okay na sana yung location nito mga boss. Nakatingin nyo, merong bus stop na malapit dyan. Tatawid ka lang sa lakad konti. Pero i-check, i-consider natin yung school ng asawa niya which is in BCC na malapit sa UNB. Nasa UNB kasi nga medical course po yung course ng asawa niya. Yan, tingnan nyo po. Kung meron silang sasakyan, okay lang. Kaso 11 minutes pa rin. But of course, newcomer, hindi pa magkakasasakyan, wala pang sasakyan. So, magbabas. Ayan, 11 minutes kung sasakyan. Pero kung i-check natin through, gagamit siya ng bus, nako po, 1 hour and 10 minutes. So, medyo walay tayo dyan. Of course, hindi natin kukunin dyan. Maganda na sana, maganda na yung paligid, maganda na yung mga rooms, at saka yung location na may bus stop. Kaso, sobrang haba ng biyahe niya. So, no tayo dyan. So, next location natin dito mga boss, 3 Pine Street. Nakita natin yan sa Facebook. Nakalagay all in 1,600. All in lahat. Let's go. Check po natin.
This is the living room. Kitchen. Place for a breakfast table. Fridge.
Yep.
It's just first bedroom.
You're the owner?
Yes.
Oh, nice. Okay. Nice. It's warm here.
Yeah. In the second bedroom. I apologize for the mess.
No, it's all good, yeah.
That's them. So it's internet.
With internet?
Internet, cable, and
nice.
heat and lights included.
So it's only 1,600 for
I think 1650.
1,650. Okay.
Yeah. So basically, it's all included.
All in.
Yeah. Furniture belongs to us, but the rest belongs to him.
Okay.
I can show you another unit if you want.
Oh, still.
Landlord. So this is little more organized. I believe that this is the living room.
But they make it as
Yeah, let's see together. We got breakfast table area, kitchen.
How much is this?
Same.
Same. Okay. Fully furnished too?
Yes.
Same thing. Okay.
Yes. First bedroom.
All right.
So if we're gonna see a bedroom here, it means that this is the living room. So
So that's the washroom.
yeah.
So
So this is a one bedroom.
one bedroom, right? Yeah. And same price or?
Number two, if it's a one bedroom is 1550. The two bedrooms are 1650.
Okay. Merong bus stop, magandang bahay, all in, bayad ang internet, bayad ang kuryente, at iba pa, may furnitures pa. Kaso, as you can see, of course, i-consider na naman natin yung commute papuntang NBCC na located in UNB. So, ayan, nakikita nyo po, pag may sasakyan, okay lang. Kasi 7 minutes lang ata yun. But, dahil walang sasakyan, bus, ito po. 48 minutes din na masama. Pero, tingnan nyo pong dot na to, yung mga dot niyan, dyan siya maglalakad mga boss. So, wali tayo dyan mga bossing. Next stop natin mga boss, itong 155 Mystery Lake Drive. Isang malaking apartment, napakadaming units. Sabi nila maganda daw to. Tingnan natin, nakita lang din natin sa Facebook to. Let's go, bisitahin natin. Alright. Kung nakikita nyo mga bossing, ito ay napakalaking building. Sobrang daming units mga boss. Ayan, bumaba na po tayo. Nagpapakyut. Ito po yung sa harap ng building na to. At papasok lang tayo dito. Of course, merong elevator. Kasi nga yung unit na to ay nasa 9th floor mga boss. Medyo luma nga lang yung elevator dito. Kung nakikita nyo naman yung design, medyo luma. Ayan, papasok na po tayo dito. I mean, lalabas elevator. At bilisan natin. There you go! Hello. Okay, thank you. Dito mga boss, ito ay 2-bedroom apartment. May sala, merong fridge, oven, of course, meron siyang bathtub. Yan po yung CR, may extra storage. Yan po yung washroom mga boss. Maganda din. Ito po yung room. Medyo madilim nga lang kasi nga wala pang ilaw. But empty na po siya. Ready na to occupy. Kinaganda din dito. Meron siyang sariling balcony. Maganda po ito sa summer. Especially dito sa Canada boss. Medyo mamimiss mo yung sun kasi panay snow. Yun lang. And ang price nito mga bossing is 1,200 Canadian dollar plus utilities. Ganun pa rin mga bossing, maganda sana, medyo mura siya. May school bus bus stop dyan, nakikita nyo naman. Pero kinoconsider na naman natin yung school ng asawa niya, which is NBCC, UNB, sobrang malayo. Nakita nyo naman, sobrang layo. Kahit na meron pang sasakyan or nakabas, oh my god, it takes time mga boss. Nakikita nyo pa, may mahabang time na maglalakad muna bago makasakay sa bus. So, no tayo dyan mga boss. Next stop mga bossing, nakita natin to sa Facebook. Sobrang ganda yung mga pictures niya sa Facebook. Dito po tayo sa 143 Elliott Row, dito sa Uptown St. John mga boss. Ayan, mga katabing dagat lang. Let's go.
So this is the kitchen. It's a really big kitchen. Lights on.
Okay.
And the appliances stay. So a really big fridge.
Wow, man.
Yeah, the microwave stays as well. And the stove. Big bright windows. Bathroom, I noticed it does need to be siliconed around the sides again.
Yeah, that's normal.
Yeah, these guys have been here over a year, so.
Okay.
Yeah. And then
This is 2-bedroom, right?
this is 2 bedroom.
Okay.
This is the living room, obviously. There's a nice big fireplace back there, except you can't see it right now.
Okay. No worries.
This is the first bedroom.
Wow, nice.
There's actually a door there.
Mm-hmm.
And
Or
it goes,
walk-in
they've
closet?
got their own deck. That's a closet there, walk in.
Okay.
But they've got their own deck.
Oh, deck.
I'll show, actually, I don't know if you can see it.
Okay.
I can show it to you. It's right there, actually.
Okay.
The whole back of the house is just their deck.
Oh.
It's just for this apartment. and that's the other bedroom in there.
Okay.
It's a good sized apartment.
Yeah, this is 1300, right?
This is 1300.
Oh,
It doesn't include it includes water.
water.
So we pay water usage
Yep.
for the tenants, but it doesn't include heat or hot water.
Heat and hot water. Okay.
So there's a washer and dryer, and they both stay in the unit as well.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
There's a parking lot. Well, right here, I'll show you. It's the side of the building.
Okay.
Come in.
Oh, it's a private one?
Yeah, it's
That's
a
nice.
private lot. Door.
Yeah.
They can use that door to come up as well if
come
they
up,
want to come
okay.
up the back. Yeah. And then there's like 3 cars fit back there.
Okay. Ayun na nga mga bossing, itong 143 Elliott Row ay may potensyal, medyo maganda. Kasi nakikita niyo po, nandyan po yung bus stop niya. Konting lakad lang, bus stop na po yan mga boss. Makikita niyo din yan, malapit lang ang school. Tamang-tama kasi may 2 babaeng anak tong brad natin. Ito, malapit lang yung Dalarama at saka yung Shoppers, which is doon kayo makakabili ng grocery. At the same time pala yung Giant Tiger for grocery. So may parking space for future na may sasakyan na sila, hindi lang sa daan magpa-park, meron talagang sariling paradahan. Ayun na nga. And at the same time, yung kinoconsider natin yung papuntang school sa asawa niya. Ayan po. Nakikita nyo, konting lakad lang at makakasakay ka na dyan ng bus diretso doon sa school as well as pabalik, and much better din if magkakasasakyan na. So all goods na, all goods. Alright, so check na natin kung okay sa kanila, kung kukunin nila. To cut it short mga bossing, ayan nga, sinundo na natin sila sa airport. Nandito na sila sa Canada, all the way from Cebu, Philippines. Ayun na nga mga bossing, from airport dumiretso na kami dito sa napili nilang apartment, which is ang 143 Elliott Row. Kasi nga sobrang accessible papuntang school, grocery, at marami pang iba. At at the same time mga boss, updated po yung design dito, yung kitchen, sobrang laki ng fridge, may microwave. Usually ng mga apartment walang microwave, ikaw ang bibili, as well as dryer and washer. So nakikita nyo po, walang masyadong gamit for now, wala pang laman. Pupunuin at tutulungan po natin silang punuin yan. And for now, for this day, didiretso pupunta lang po kami sa bahay, doon kakain, at saka magpapa-welcome kami, na meron kaming kaunting pa-welcome para sa kanila. Ayan na nga, malaking rooms, future office if ever mag-work from home, marami pang opportunity ang apartment na to. Yan na lang mga boss, maraming salamat. See you in the next video. Paalam!